Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. In this video I'm going to share with you how I made the label for my DMC floss. So as you can see the label like this. Let's get started. For the label I'm going to use Dymo Letratag label maker or label printer. You may purchase this at any kind of bookstores. If you're in Malaysia, the price is about, I think, maybe 90 ringgit something. And this is how it look like for the refill. So this is paper white paper label, but I'm not going to use this one. I'm going to use the clear transparent plastic. So it look like this. I don't have the original packaging. I already throw it out, but it's same like this one. Okay, let's see how we're going to setting it up. Let me show you. So I'm using clear plastic transparent. Let on, turn it on. Okay, choose format, pick the size. I picked the small size, but it have extra small, medium, large and extra large, but I choose small size. And then you just click OK. But this one is for the alphabet. We change it to numbers, and I pick 553 for my DMC code. And when you're done, you just click print. It's printing now. Okay, when you're done, you just cut it out here. And here you go. You're done. I'm going to show you how I cut this and stick it to the label floss. So I choose the plastic type for floss holder because of the long-term reason, but you may use any kind of material, cardboard or any kind of, it is your choice, but I love to use the plastic one, and that's why I prefer the clear transparent for Dymo Letratag. Okay, I'm going to show you how I stick it to this, to the top, like this one. So you just take it out from the back. So it's already have the line, so easy. And just take it out, and the other side, take it out like this. Okay, like this one. Here you go. And I love to cut it a little bit smaller. So cut here and cut for the right side a bit, and here a bit to make it smaller, and another one. Okay, and then you just take to the top like this. Yeah, and it's done. I hope it helpful tips for you, because it's so easy. So that's it. Thank you for watching. and I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you in the next video later. Thanks for watching again. Bye. Assalamualaikum.